Whether we are writing something, typing on our laptops, or doing any household chore, one of our body parts which is always involved yet often ignored. Yes, you guessed it right. I am talking about our nails. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aakansha and today I'll be sharing some tips for healthy nails. But before that, let me tell you what our nails are made of. We all know that these are dead skin cells, isn't it? These are actually keratinous tissue, and where the nail joins our finger, it's called the cuticle, and just below that we have the soft tissue called the germinal matrix. To take care of the nail at its roots, we need to take care of this germinal matrix as well as the cuticle. It's very important that we don't damage the cuticle. During a manicure, the cuticle is generally cut, pushed back or got rid of altogether. Remember, cuticle is a protective layer on your nails, and it is important that this is protected so that the nail bed is not damaged. A compromised cuticle can have an effect on the quality of nails that grow. So it's very important to take care of this cuticle while we talk about healthy nails. Winters can be rough for our nails, just like our skin and hair. It is during this time that our nails tend to be extra brittle. And just like our skin, moisturizing is the key here as well. So you can use the moha nail cream to nourish our nail. And as mentioned, don't forget the cuticle because that's where the nail starts to grow. It's very common that there is dirt accumulation underneath the nail. Remember, do not use something pointed like a toothpick or a pointed filer in order to get rid of this dirt. This activity can cause irritation to the nail bed. Also, it gives way to various bacteria and fungus causing infection. So alternately, you can use a cuticle brush meant for nails or else even an extra toothbrush to get rid of this dirt. While we spoke about how to keep our nails healthy, it is important to understand that soft, split, brittle, colored or stained nails can be a sign of health concern or some dietary issue which need to be treated with supplements or medically. So don't ignore them. Just like our skin, our nails also require protection and moisturization. And the moha nail care cream does this very well. It has natural ingredients like flaxseed oil and almond oil which nourishes and keeps our nail healthy. For best results, use the moha nail care cream twice a day. You can use it in the morning just after a bath and in the night time just before going to bed. In the night time, make sure that you soak your hands in warm water for at least 2 to 3 minutes before applying this cream. What you need to do is take a pea size of this cream and apply on all the nails. Then gently massage using the fingers. Make sure you gently massage the cuticles as well. Thank you for watching us and I hope that you nail it with our nail care tips.